Your garden has a scent of cheap perfume. The sun is a stranger to you. How's a rose supposed to bloom? Laredo rose, a rosary hangs from your bedpost. A man you just met gets up, stumbles putting on his clothes. As he walks away, you watch candlelight play on a photograph of a husband and a son and a daughter. You brought her a dress today to send to Monterey. Laredo Road, your garden has a scent of cheap perfume. The sun is a stranger to you. How the rose supposed to bloom? Crumpled bills on the dresser, saw the confessor knows the wages of sin. The times they've been paid, sure as night follows day, they'll be paid again till heaven knows when. And heaven knows Our Lady looks down from adobe walls. Uneven footsteps grow fainter as they echo down the hall. Laredo Road, your garden has a scent of cheap perfume. The sun is a stranger to you. How's a rose supposed to bloom? The sun is a stranger to you. How the rose supposed